Hello everyone, I'm Saujanya. I'm from Chennai. I have cleared IBPS PO and IBPS Clerical. IBPS PO and Clerical both I have got in Canara Bank. I have been preparing for this bank exam for the past 10 months. Clearing the exams does not depend upon the time in which you prepare. It all depends upon the work which you put in for the preparation of the exams. I don't think the time matters the most. The work which you put in or the effort which you put in matters the most while you preparing for the examinations. There is no such structure or methodology which I used to prepare for the examination. The only thing which I did was writing the online tests and reviewing it properly. The online tests gave me the exact strategy for what we should do and what we should not do, and only because of that I think I cleared the examination. I didn't know the exact strategy to come across this quants. So this race classes and the super batch which we attended for the IBPS PO helped me to get the nook and corner of these quants. And reasoning, which was easier part of for me, I didn't face any other difficulties in reasoning and English too. And the current affairs section was a bit difficult for me because I was not used to reading the newspaper or things before. So this current affairs section was the thing which I had to prepare on mostly, and the mentors asked us to read the current affairs daily, and we'll have to face the viva when we enter in. So that these mentors helped me to read the current affairs section and the GK part. Of course, yes, because the GK part which we read for static GK, I didn't read it externally. Only in the viva part I read it. The super batch which is conducted in Velachery was the most effective part in this race preparation, I feel so, because only in this super batch I was fine-tuned for the examinations. I had not come across all the difficult parts or the toughest questions during the preparation the rest of the time. Only in this super batch time I had come across the difficult situations or difficult conditions which I had to come across in IBPS mains too. So the super batch was the most effective part during the preparation for me. My mentor was in IBPS during IBPS preparation. My mentor was Gokul sir. He used to give me the exact points, or he was telling me idu pannada. That was the biggest advice I got it from. And presently my mentor is Selvam sir. He used to encourage us, parvala, next exam paathukalam, adukku panikalam, don't worry. That was the exact guidance which I got from mentors. They played a very vital role during the preparation. They used to encourage us. They used to give us some tips. So the mentors played an important role. It gave us many friends. I got many friends because of this circle thing and super batch thing. They were also helpful for me during the preparation. So I guess this circle thing works the most. The circle thing helped us to form a group so that we could practice and we could get most tricks or most strategies from the people with whom we are working at. So the circle thing was the best thing according to me. We used to go and get CAT books from there, and the English books are very good actually over there. So library helped us to increase the English knowledge. For the preparation in English, we used to take more books from the library. I took more books from the library to read the basic rules and regulations for this grammar part, and for this synonyms and antonyms part I had a book in my home. I used to refer from that. The rest we will get the materials from race. That was very helpful in preparing English. The online practice exam is one of the kind of this online test. Only because of writing the online test we could get to know the strategy in what we should do and which is applicable for us. So the online web portal is as similar to the IBPS web portal, so that we could relate it more equally, and we could do well in the examinations without any fear, of course. So we have the sectional tests and separate tests for all the sections, of course. So that would be easy for us to score more in the examinations. The race computer lab was very silent actually, so I could relate it to my home, wherein I could write an examination properly without any disturbance. And the interface was also good, so that I could write it properly. The computer lab was, we had many other computers so that we could work in everything and anything which we want to. I feel proud. I mean, I was a student then, now I'm a banker. If you want to do banking, you can come to race.
சாதிக்க நான் தயார்னு சொல்றவங்க மட்டும் இங்க வாங்க.
சென்னை, மதுரை, திருச்சி, சேலம், கோயம்புத்தூரை தொடர்ந்து ஈரோடு, நாமக்கல், தஞ்சாவூர் மற்றும் பெங்களூர், பாண்டிச்சேரி, சண்டிகரிலும் சென்னை ரேஸ் காம்படிட்டிவ் எக்ஸாம்ஸ் கோச்சிங் இன்ஸ்டிடியூட்.